He will be interested to know that one European gentleman, he went to Calcutta and he visited several temples in Calcutta, and he visited our temple also. Our temple is Radha Krishna. This is the picture, Radha Krishna. So he went to the temple of goddess Kali. He saw the goddess Kali's very ferocious feature, and he has got one, what is called, chopper in her hand. She is chopping the heads of the demons, and she has the garland of the heads of the demons, and engaged in fighting. So, he is supposed to be intelligent man. He said that I find in this temple there is God. Why you conclude like that? That in every temple I saw that a God, deity, is doing something. But here I see the God is enjoying. He has nothing to do. Very nice conclusion. This is Vedic conclusion.